Castor oil has been used for centuries, and for good reason. It is rich in ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid that makes up almost 90% of castor oil. This is what gives it powerful anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. When applied to the skin, castor oil helps to deeply hydrate dry, aging skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines, support the skin's natural healing process, and stimulate blood circulation in the skin. So if castor oil is this powerful, why are so many women over 50 still struggling with deep wrinkles, loss of firmness, and dull, aging skin, even after using it? The answer is simple. After 50, your skin loses collagen at an accelerated rate. In fact, women lose up to 30% of their skin collagen in the first 5 years after menopause. That is not a small number, and while castor oil is an incredible moisturizer and skin healer, it does not directly boost collagen production on its own. That is the missing piece. To truly reverse the signs of aging skin after 50, you need something that works alongside castor oil to actively stimulate your skin's collagen production, fight free radical damage, and repair years of sun damage and skin aging at a cellular level. And that is exactly what the oil we are about to reveal does. Before we reveal the oil, let us talk about what your skin actually needs after 50. Because understanding this will help you understand exactly why this combination is so powerful. After 50, aging skin has 3 main enemies. Number 1, collagen loss. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm, plump, and smooth. As we age, our body produces less and less of it. By the time we reach 60, collagen production has slowed dramatically. This is why skin begins to sag, wrinkles deepen, and that youthful plumpness starts to disappear. Number 2, free radical damage. Every day, your skin is exposed to UV rays, pollution, and environmental stress. These create free radicals, unstable molecules that break down collagen and accelerate aging, without powerful antioxidants to fight them. This damage builds up year after year. Number 3, loss of moisture and elasticity. Aging skin loses its ability to retain moisture as effectively as it once did. This makes wrinkles look deeper, skin look more tired, and the overall texture rougher and less radiant. Now, the perfect companion oil for castor oil addresses all 3 of these problems directly. It boosts collagen, it outfights free radicals, and it restores moisture and elasticity to aging skin. Are you ready to find out what it is? The oil you should never use without castor oil is rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is extracted from the seeds of the rose plant, specifically Rosa canina, and it has been called one of nature's most powerful anti-aging oils for good reason. Here is what makes rosehip oil extraordinary for women over 50. It is packed with vitamin C. Rosehip oil contains one of the highest natural concentrations of vitamin C of any plant oil. And vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen synthesis. Your skin cannot produce collagen without it. This is the direct collagen boost that castor oil alone cannot provide. It is rich in vitamin A, natural retinol. Rosehip oil contains trans-retinoic acid, a naturally occurring form of retinol. Retinol is widely regarded as one of the most effective anti-aging ingredients in skincare. It speeds up cell turnover, fades dark spots, softens deep wrinkles, and restores skin texture. And in rosehip oil, you get this naturally without the harsh side effects of synthetic retinol products. It is full of essential fatty acids. Rosehip oil is rich in omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids. These nourish the skin barrier, lock in moisture, and restore the elasticity that aging skin loses over time. It is a powerful antioxidant. The antioxidants in rosehip oil including vitamin E and beta-carotene, directly fight the free radical damage that breaks down collagen and accelerates wrinkles. On its own, rosehip oil is already remarkable. But when you combine it with castor oil, something truly special happens. Think of it this way: castor oil is the deep, penetrating base. Its thick, rich texture allows it to carry other oils deep into the layers of the skin, far deeper than most oils can reach on their own. Rosehip oil is the active collagen booster. Its vitamin C, natural retinol, and antioxidants go to work rebuilding collagen, reversing sun damage, and renewing the skin at a cellular level. Together, castor oil drives rosehip oil deeper into the skin where it can do the most good. And rosehip oil gives castor oil the collagen-stimulating power it lacks on its own. The result: firmer, more lifted skin, visibly reduced wrinkles, especially around the eyes, forehead, and mouth, more even skin tone, fading dark spots and sun damage, deeply hydrated, glowing skin, improved skin texture and elasticity. And women who use this combination consistently report seeing noticeable results within 4 to 6 weeks. Now let us talk about exactly how to use it. This is important because how you use the oils matters just as much as the oils themselves. The ratio is 1 part castor oil with 2 parts rosehip oil. So for example, 1 teaspoon of castor oil with 2 teaspoons of rosehip oil. This ratio is important because castor oil is very thick. Too much castor oil without enough rosehip oil can feel heavy on the skin and may clog pores for some skin types. You can mix them fresh each time or prepare a small bottle in advance to keep on your dressing table. Always apply at night before bed. This is when your skin does its most intensive repair work. Nighttime application gives the oil several hours to absorb and work without interference from sunlight or makeup. Start with a clean, slightly damp face. Gently warm a few drops of your oil mixture between your palms. Then press, do not rub, gently press the oil into your skin using upward motions. Pay special attention to the areas where wrinkles are deepest, around the eyes, forehead, and the lines around your mouth. Leave it on overnight and rinse gently in the morning. Start with 3 times a week for the first 2 weeks to allow your skin to adjust. After that, you can use it every night if your skin responds well. One important tip: always do a small patch test first. Apply a small amount to the inside of your wrist and wait 24 hours before applying to your face. Rosehip oil is generally very well tolerated, but every skin is different. Before we finish, here are 3 final tips to get the absolute best results from this combination. Tip number 1, always choose cold-pressed, unrefined oils. Look for cold-pressed castor oil and cold-pressed rosehip oil. These are the least processed versions and retain the highest levels of active nutrients. Refined or heat-processed oils lose much of their potency. Tip number 2, store your rosehip oil correctly. Rosehip oil is sensitive to light and heat. Always store it in a dark, cool place, ideally in the refrigerator once opened. This preserves its vitamin C content and extends its shelf life. Tip number 3, be consistent. Natural oils work differently from chemical skincare products. They nourish and rebuild the skin gradually and naturally. Give this combination at least 4 to 6 weeks of consistent nightly use before judging the results. The women who see the most dramatic improvements are the ones who are consistent. Now you know the secret that most women over 50 are missing. Castor oil is powerful, but alone, it is only giving you half the results. Add rosehip oil in the right ratio, at the right time, in the right way, and you have one of the most effective natural anti-aging combinations available to women over 50 today. No expensive creams, no harsh chemicals, just 2 powerful natural oils working together the way nature intended. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It genuinely helps more women over 50 find this information. And if you know someone who has been using castor oil alone, share this video with her today. Don't forget to subscribe to SereniFit for weekly natural health and beauty tips designed specifically for women and seniors over 50. We will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself. You deserve it.